I'm gonna show you how great I am.
What's up, YouTube? Oh, y'all gotta excuse me. I'm not sitting down for this intro. This one got me a little excited. Let me explain to y'all why I'm excited. First of all, anybody who's watched me for years knows that I celebrate growth. I love growth. I love to see my people grow. Now, I say that to say that, hold on. Before I even get to the man on the hour, let me say this. First of all, my brother True Grit dropped a video that got over 100,000 views in 1 week. Whoo! 100,000 views in 1 week, man. I'm so proud of him. It's like, come on, YouTube. I love growth. Second of all, my brother Faraway. Faraway is at like, I think at the last time I checked, it's like 95,000 subscribers. Faraway is on his way to 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Now, for those of y'all watching this video, if you have not subscribed to either one of them, True Grit Customs or Faraway, I'm going to leave the link below so y'all can go to their channel and please subscribe to them. We got to get Faraway up to 100,000. He deserves it. He deserves more, but we're going to push him over the edge. Now, speaking of 100,000, the man I'm talking about in this video, Sprayway. Now, for those of y'all that don't know Sprayway, where y'all been? Where y'all been? I mean, my man has over 100,000 subscribers. He just crossed 100,000 subscribers. So it can't be too many of y'all that don't know who he is. But, let me say this, YouTube, I'm proud of him. I've been watching Sprayway a long time. And I'm going to tell y'all, man, if y'all have never watched the Sprayway video, Sprayway is the king of one-hand recording. He holds the camera in one hand, the paint gun in the other hand, and still brings quality videos. It's not shaky. I don't know what the man's secret is. I don't know how he does that every time. Because I wear a chest harness, as y'all can see. Faraway wears a head harness. Sprayway holds it in his hand. Don't ask me, YouTube. I'm just telling y'all what I know. Now, I'm going to say something. Now, recently, Sprayway dropped a video, his 100,000 plaque video, and he shot some rims, candy green Forgiatos. But in this video, he decided to use the Grant 7 Oh My Clear on those rims. And I'm going to tell y'all, some of y'all wanted to see him use it. Y'all know, y'all was all up in my comments, when Sprayway going to use it? He used it. So for those of y'all that might have missed the fact that he used it, I'm going to show y'all in a second. So before I get to the video, once again, let me say congratulations to True Grit, man. I'm proud of you, my brother. Congratulations to Faraway. I'm proud of you, my brother. And congratulations to Sprayway. I'm proud of all three of y'all, and I wish all of you continued success. And please keep growing, and people, please support them. Please support them. They all deserve everything that they're getting right now. So please continue to support my brothers, and we're going to keep bringing y'all this heat. All right, so on that note, let's get to Sprayway's video.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
This is the clear I'm going to be using. It's the Grant 7 Oh My Clear. It mixes 2 to 1. of the Grant 7 clear. I gotta admit, this some good stuff here. It's good and thick. If you ain't used to spraying high solid clear, I'm talking about this real high solid. You might need to, if you get some, you might want to shoot you a test pound or something before you start shooting it. But I'm used to spraying high solid, so I had to adjust my gun at first because I'm so used to spraying other clear. But once I got it dialed in, I was good to go. But this is some good stuff, hands down. I like it because it self-love itself. I had shot the first coat, and you could tell the first coat looked like I had shot 3 coats on it. Then I let it flash, it came back out here. It was good to go for real, but I had already mixed up enough to spray 3 coats, so I sprayed 3 coats on it. But look how that gloss look. I need to go.
I gave life to the game, it's only right, I got the right to be king.